right, so now that you have your angle, we're going to mirror the shape. Say mirror.
Mirror.
So a mirror is a reflection, right? So we're going to make a reflection of this line right here, which is a straight line. We're going to make a mirror of this line and connect it there. We're going to make a mirror of this curvy shape. Is going to be a curve. A mirror of that is another curve. A mirror of this line is another straight line. So the straight ones are a little bit easier. The curved ones are a little tricky. And then you just connect. My marker is huge, so it's hard to really get my details on there. Draw the letter first, and then go around the outside. This is what we did last time. Kind of go around the outside. Okay, so here's my J, and then I can outline it. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing before. I'm going to have my angles that come doop, all the corners. Doop. This is the outer edge of my J. Corner, okay? Then I'm going to mirror this line here. Connect. Mirror this line. Connect. Mirror, this curvy part of my J is going to curve like that. I just mirrored it. And then I'm going to mirror this line here. So there's my J. All right, let's do a D really quick, okay? Now I'm going to do my angles. Here we go. Angle. Outside edge would be like right here. There's an angle here. And I think that's it. So now I just mirror the edge, mirror this line, and mirror this line, okay? Hey, there is not a perfect science. You might mess this up and it still looks really cool. So I'm just saying, even if you mess up, it'll end up looking really cool. So once you feel like you've practiced enough, we are going to go back to our artwork, okay? Now this actually makes it a little bit easier in my opinion because there's no one's going to be looking at it and be like, that is not exactly perfect. No one's going to do that. So if it's not exactly perfect, that's okay. So I'm going to do my C, my H, and my R because those are the ones that are done. All right, so pretend the rest of my letters are done and I erase the inside. I'm going to find all of my corners and make my angles. Here we go. I would do this with pencil first, y'all, but I'm going to do it on marker so you can see it. So I have an angle here. Bang, bang, bang. That one's kind of in the way. Bang, 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 bang. Look at all these different corners. Holy moly. That one, some of these angles are going to be like underneath, so you don't have to draw them. So like this one, I'm not going to draw because it's like bumping into my C. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I think I got them all. I might have missed one. Okay, now that I have all my angles, I could go and do the rest of my letters if I want. If that's how my brain works and I want to do all of them first, I could do that. Okay, but when I'm ready, I'm going to start mirroring, baby. Here we go. So I'm going to mirror this line here, connect it, bam, bam, connect this one. See how I'm mirroring the line that's parallel to it? I'm just following the lines. Like this one just goes up and down here. This one goes up this way. This one goes up this way. All right. Okay. Feel better. Once you're done with this, you're just going to color the rest of it in black. And then if you have any mistakes, this black is going to kind of hide your mistakes. So if it's not perfect, it's still going to look really cool. Okay. So you're not going to color over top of your C. You're just going to color over the 3D part. To be honest, if this is stressing you out to the point where you're like, this is not fun because I'm so stressed, you could skip this step. You don't have to make it 3D. I just want to make sure you guys can try it if you're into that. If you get confused, just kind of roll with it. Here's the motto of the day. Draw what you see, not what you think. You might think you need to draw a line a certain way. Just draw what you see, though. Don't worry about what you think. Just do it. See what happens. A lot of artists are like, I want it to look like this. Don't worry about what you want it to look like. Just do it and see what it looks like when you're done. I didn't know that's what my C was going to look like. That's just how it happened, okay? So just roll with it, people. And when you're ready, go ahead and get started. You can do it. I told you in 5th grade we were going to try some hard stuff. This is one of those hard things. We're just trying our best. Just trying our best to make our graffiti awesome. All right, so there's my H.